Hello, I hope you are well. I welcome my new subscribers. Today I decided to put glitters in the raindrops. It's more fun. Rain with glitters. I have my little tray mold and then I have several packages of glitter of different size and colors. I have some from Just For You Online UK. I have some of MOA, which I found on Amazon. So there's a lot of colors. I'm going to try to mix all these glitters, and I have these little bits too. There are little pieces of very fine crushed glass. I'm going to see what it looks like. I haven't tried them yet. So I put on my mask, my gloves, open my window, and we go. I have my UV resin, since that's what I'm going to use, always the same one. So I'm going to pour it in the out of focus. Sorry. So I'm going to pour it into a little cup. It's easier to mix it up. And then I'll add glitters as I feel like it. I don't have a definite plan in my head. I'll try to mix the sizes a little bit. It's a little more fun, I think. After that, you can change your mind along the way. It's not a problem. So I put my resin in this little cup and I'll add a little bit of glitters. I don't put too much at a time so that it doesn't become too thick, a bit too pasty. Well, there are times when I let myself go a bit, but on the whole it worked well. I mix it well, and then once I'm satisfied with my mixture, I'll use this little plastic spatula and I'll put drops here and there as I want to once again. And I'm going to try to make them in different size, of course. And then I put it to cure. So as usual, I always check that it's hardened because I don't want to have any bad surprises. And then I'll do it again with different colors of glitters until I'm happy with it. Putting to dry between each cup of glitter. So I cut the video a lot because otherwise it was too long. It still took me, I think, it took me close to 50 minutes. Yes, easy. Yes, the time I decided on the glitters, the color, the size, etc. So this is now what it looks like when it's finished. I made a little coaster next to it. It's very nice. Yes, it's nice. It's very shiny. Well, you can see I put a little picture. And now, well, I just have to pour some resin. I tinted it. Damn, I don't remember the name. I'll put it all in the description box below the video. It's a very pretty shade, I think. It's gorgeous. I hesitated for a long time, but I found this shade was very, very pretty. And you will see that the effect is very nice after drying. So, as always, I can't wait to unmold. I had a little bit of resin left over, which I put in a crystal mold. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this color. I'm not really a purple person, but it's really, really pretty. Ah, yes, I like it. Well, I have bubbles anyway. Let's go to the little coaster. How is it going to come out? A little bit of patience. I don't want to pull too hard. You never know. Well, no, everything is perfect. Look at that, if it shines. So I used my old coaster mold, so obviously I have marks. I'll have to put a thin layer of clear resin on the bottom because now I have all these marks. that stand out, but otherwise look at this. It looks like there are jewels, precious stones that are embedded in the resin. Well, now we'll move on to my little tray. I hope it will come out as well. It's always a surprise. There can be small problems for X reasons. I had put it in my curing machine. Well, yes, everything comes out well. As a little jewelry tray, it's so pretty. Oh, damn, I got bubbles. Oh, I hate the bubbles. I'm going to try something to use my machine anyway, and I'll tell you about it a little later. Look at that if it glitters. It's so pretty. Oh, I love it. This glitter effect gives it some punch. And you can see I have different sizes. It's nice, yes. My little coaster doesn't fit. Normally it fits, but I had a little overflow, so I'll have to work on it. Oh, I love this set. I'm going to do a little close-up, but it's not easy to really make it pop. I'll try to make a zoom. Well, zoom, but focus, please, focus. Where are you? It even shines like this. Well, let's back up, and instead of zooming in, I brought my camera closer. It works better anyway. You see that it's super shiny, super pretty. Oh yes, I love it. The little crystals too are so beautiful. Yes, I like it. I like it. Oh, so the possibilities are endless depending on the glitters you have, and you can put whatever you want. I'm going to make you a little picture outside. Look with the sun. Oh yes, I love them, love them, and I like it when things are going well. So thank you for following me in this video. As I told you that I cut a lot. I'll see you soon for new adventures. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you soon. And bye for now.